Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making vintage wood block ornaments. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project, or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some vintage wood block ornaments. I'm going to leave a link in the description to all of the images I used for this project. So just click on it and print them out. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Make sure to press that notification bell so you know when I have a new video. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.